Hello, I'm in a 2004 Volvo S40. Today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from here, we'll go down and you should see a red lever here. With a little tension you can pull and that'll release the safety on your hood. If I can show you here back behind, you can see it there, there's this cable that's connected. So if you're having issues, make sure that cable's connected with a little bit of tension. Now we'll go up to the front. And this should have been released. It doesn't feel like it worked, so I'll need to go pull that lever again. Doesn't sound like it's releasing. Push it down. I'll try again. Sometimes it takes 2-3 tries on vehicles to get stuff to work right. This time it did release. As you can see, it took 3 tries. So yeah, to get it to work, I had to push it all the way, so it must have been caught kind of halfway in the safety. In most vehicles, you'll find another lever here that you need to push to open, right around the middle. And this one was right there. So I pushed and lifted. Only had to push a little bit though. This didn't have to move very far. So that's what that looked like. And this is what it was hooked onto. So again, check for any possible debris or tightness, which in this case, I would highly suggest this particular car some WD-40, since it's all a little bit tight. And you know, check all the edges, make sure there's nothing else that could catch. And then hopefully this is working for you too, that's holding the hood up. Also something to check, if your components are slightly out of center, like your hood's out of alignment, that can cause issues as well, or if say something's bent. Same with down here, make sure it's all straight and center and tight. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. I hope you have a wonderful day.